So now we're going to explain the security for our application. First, in login, um, I have two types of security, which is authorization. That will be uh it will go to the backend first. Then since this the login this the requester will go to the backend first, and it should have a null at first since this is just a requester. Then a cookie is authorization is will be initialized will be like yeah initialized in the front end, while the cookie is um always at the always created in the back end since uh so this is like a it cannot be accessed or tampered by the front end, so that's why I have cookie. So um so the authorization is not at first uh, because of this here. This where you click button login, it will go first here to the back end, and whatever the reply to the back end will be given to this. This is where we set the um this if the backend is successful for the login, then it will set the um it will set to the session storage, and it will navigate to the child route, which is this is path. The default path is it will be redirected to user. That's why when you saw the first login will be the user navigation endpoint. Yes, endpoint. So let's mm, it gives the cookie success, like, and if there's an error, it will be going back uh the login portion, the login page, and it will put on the login failure. In the future, I will explain the NGRX, but for now, the web security is only I concerned. So, so the next thing, so you know already why we don't have this one. So, what next? We compare. Okay. In the front end, I have a interceptor which every endpoint backend endpoint you every endpoint you will have to what should we call this you need to go here first before you can go to you need to run this first before it runs the actual backend that you called. So here, and what else? It will go here. Then um if if there's an error, he will check the error if it is a renew token. And if it is a renew token, it will run the refresh token. And if it is required to log in, then it will force to log out. So it is forced to log out. Uh, else. I use both guard to my routes, which means every every navigation of the children must every navigation of the page must go must execute this line of code, which I set the session storage access token during when I log in. So I get this session storage now, and check if it is empty or not. So uh this is I use the front end only for like a basic validation if it's a if it's a valid token or not. So the interceptor. Mm, the So in the back end, I'll see you uh in the browser. Okay. I set the back end for now for 15 seconds just to make an example. Well, just to make an example. After the 15 seconds, it will look for it will um after the 15 seconds, the token will expire. So it will request refresh token. So as you can see here, the bearer here is the token here is different from here now. So as this HHC, then the new token now is um 3, so different. But the cookies is still same since I set this for longer. Like I set this for 12 hours to be expired. So it is same and for L4. So uh it run to refresh since it runs to refresh since there's two endpoint I called here, which is account and the total account. So so this the so this it runs on every endpoint it will run. So it have requests the token. So uh it gives a new refresh token. Um for summary, if the authorization token uh if the authorization token is expired, then it will go to this code to this renew. But it will go to renew token if it's expired. Then if this cookie will expire, I set this cookie for 12 hours. So after the 12 hours, if after the 12 hours, it force the browser to log out. It force the user to log out. Since I stated in the code here that uh it should be logged out to re-authenticate itself, to re-log in itself. So that's the web security that I have. Mm, so um so renew token. Okay. Another more. We see this renew token. I will explain in the backend. So in the backend, uh all of uh all after the API routes, um after after what should I say, after all the API route, um it should be authenticated first before it can access all of these routes, which you can see here. The refresh token, it's not part of those four that it is before the authentication route, so it doesn't needs that authenticating token. So this endpoint is after the authentication token, so it should run the authentication token first before it can go to the actual um endpoint logic. So that's it.